Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi. Today let's make a healthy version of golden rice. So let's get started with the video. To make golden fried rice, I'm using a traditional variety of rice. This rice is known as ilupaipo chemba rice. This traditional rice is rich in many vital nutrients and minerals. I prefer to use traditional hand pound rice in my recipes. This is 3/4 cup of hand pound ilupaipo rice. I'm heating my cast iron kadai with 2 teaspoons wood pressed gingerly oil, also known as sesame oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in 7 to 8 garlic cloves, finely chopped. Allow the garlic cloves to get light golden brown in color so that the oil will be infused with the garlic flavor. Once the garlic starts to turn light golden brown in color, I'm adding in chopped white part of spring onion, 1 medium-sized carrot chopped, 8 to 10 or a handful of beans chopped, half cup of peas. Give it a good stir. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed, 1/3 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder. Give it a good stir. Stir fry the vegetables until it is 3/4 cooked. Cooking in a cast iron not only helps in better iron absorption, cast iron has more heat retention, which will help in stir frying and cooking the vegetables. And if you're using a well seasoned cast iron pan, you will not need much oil as it will have a non-sticky surface. Next, I'm adding in half cup cabbage finely sliced and give it a good stir. As a healthier version to soy sauce, I'm using coconut aminos. Coconut aminos is slightly lighter than soy sauce, hence you will need to add at least 1 to 2 tablespoons or as needed. Into this, I'm adding in a couple of splashes of coconut aminos. Give it a good stir. Once the vegetables are stir fried and cooked, turn off the flame and transfer this to another plate. I'm using 2 free-range eggs in this recipe. So what I've done is I have separated the yolk and the white part of the eggs. I'm adding the yolk onto the cooked ilupaipo rice. Into this, I'm adding in some pink Himalayan salt, and with a fork, I'm mixing the rice into the egg yolk. So basically, I'm coating the cooked rice with the egg yolk. Once the rice is nicely coated with the egg yolk, I'm going to keep this aside. I'm heating my cast iron kadai with 1 to 2 teaspoons of wood pressed sesame oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in the egg whites, sprinkling in some pink Himalayan salt, black pepper powder. After about 30 to 40 seconds, I'm scrambling the egg whites. Adding in the egg and rice mix and scramble everything. About 20 to 30 seconds later, turn over the rice and do this process a couple of times or until the eggs are nicely cooked. Once the eggs are cooked, add in the stir fried vegetables. Give it a good mix. Lastly, I'm adding in the green part of the spring onion, which is finely chopped, and mix it really well and turn off the flame. Transfer this to a serving bowl. So guys, do try this healthy golden rice recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.